So yeah, I built a drone landing pad in my car. Let's take a look. Having a safe place to take off and land your drone is essential to drone flying. Everybody knows that. Just pop her right there. She's on their way. Landing is just as easy. Although I've crashed it probably like 3 times since I've been out here. So maybe it's not that easy, I don't know. I'm pretty, okay there, oh shit, okay, oh, hey, oh, where you going? Where you going, Mr. Wiggles? Yeah, that was easy, right? Yeah. Why fly a drone outside when you can fly one from the comfort of the bed that I also put in my car?